To run the Semrush dashboard, start by logging into your Semrush account using your email and password. Once logged in, you will see the main Semrush dashboard, which provides an overview of your projects and tools. The first step is to create a new project by clicking on the Projects tab and then the plus sign. Enter your domain name and select the target location and device type. This will allow you to track your website's performance and analyze your competitors. Next, navigate to the Audit tool, which provides a comprehensive analysis of your website's technical and on-page optimization issues. This tool checks for issues such as broken links, slow page speed, and duplicate content. Use this information to identify areas for improvement and optimize your website for search engines. The Position Tracking tool allows you to monitor your website's ranking for specific keywords. Add your target keywords and select the target location and device type. This tool will provide you with daily updates on your keyword rankings and help you identify areas for improvement. The Competitor Analysis tool provides insights into your competitors' online strategies. Enter your competitor's domain name and analyze their backlinks, content, and technical optimization. Use this information to identify gaps in your own strategy and improve your online presence. The Backlink Analytics tool provides detailed information about your website's backlinks, including the number of referring domains, anchor text, and link type. Use this information to identify opportunities to build high-quality backlinks and improve your website's authority. Finally, use the Reporting tool to generate custom reports and track your progress over time. Select the metrics you want to track and the time period, and Semrush will provide you with a detailed report. Use this information to adjust your strategy and improve your online presence. By following these steps and using the Semrush dashboard, you can gain valuable insights into your website's performance and online presence, and make data-driven decisions to improve your digital marketing strategy.